They have no fear of outfield walls. They'll get to home plate, even if it's head first. For all their sweat and grit, Arm & Hammer and Oxy...
Yeah, you guys can use the forum for anything you were looking to trade, sell. If you got stuff up on eBay, you can post links in there. Ask that you don't post any breaks in there, obviously, but any cards you're looking to sell or anything like that, use the forum. Like I said, we got all kinds of announcements going on in there right now for next week at the Nationals, different giveaways we're doing. We've got kind of get an entry into a giveaway right now, but you got to go in the forum and read for details. Nope, few more days yet, Eric. Oh, Cal just sent me a message too. In the forum, there's a chat icon on the bottom right of the forum. You should be able to chat with each other if you're logged into the forum and you're in there. You can see who's online, who's using it, and you can chat back and forth right in the forum. All right, here we go. Tier 1, number 27. Mix it up a little bit. A&G number 3 coming up next. Cooperstown, random number 1, sitting at just 5 spots. A&G number 2 at 3 teams left. All right, good luck, everyone. First hit is Tim Lincecum jersey, 129 of 299 for the Giants. That is Nathan, P-A-P. Got a nice little bender going tonight. You've got to be kidding me. Got another John Smoltz auto, acclaimed auto, 44 of 50. Going to the Braves, Stephanie, EDG. The Braves hit more than any team on our site for some reason. Don't understand it. Steph's not complaining, that's for sure. And our last hit, Wilmer Flores. Newgard auto, 106 of 399. Going to the Mets, Donald, LLO. That'll do it for Tier 1. It's got to be Steph. I cannot believe how many Braves autos you've hit. It really is pretty crazy.
I think I do, and I think it's about a two-pitch mix when you're dealing with this guy. But first of all, it's just fun watching this guy throw. It's fun watching him play the game. He enjoys it. There's no doubt about it. But this guy, what he has brought to the table and how good he was before he blew his elbow.
Cooperstown, random number 1, sitting at 3 spots.
And how good this guy was. And when you look at that two-pitch mix I'm talking about, it's a fastball that's explosive. It's not only hard, but it looks like
That's true, Nate.
Look at that heater. Just blows you away. Paints a heater. Gas. But this pitch right here. This is a breaking ball to a lefty, a breaking ball to a righty, and let's go back and see Kerry Wood's breaking ball. Come on now, you're not hitting it. And this, Derek Bell, I'm sorry. You just can't hit these two pitches. Fastball, breaking ball combo. It seems to be the same slot. They seem to be similar size. But that breaking ball, that three-quarter, is it a slurve? Is it a slider? Is it a hard curve? I don't know. Fastball, breaking ball. But those two pitches, Kerry Wood and him, I think, are almost identical.
You know, a lot of times we do this every night, 162 games a year, then we have the postseason, we want to build guys up, and he's great, and he's electric. This guy, Jose Fernandez, he's electric. And when Billy and I were talking about he was going to put this tape together, when he brought the Kerry Wood comp, I was like, ding, that is dead on.
He just twisted that knife in your back.
Right now, there isn't anybody
Allen and Ginter number 3 coming up next.
breaking ball that's as
Looks like we can follow that up with some Cooperstown, hopefully.
But Corey Kluber's
We've also got Bowman Inception number 15 at 12 teams.
with no turn signal.
Archives at 22.
What about the mechanics?
Allen and Ginter number 2 at 3 teams. If we can fill up that A&G number 2 and Cooperstown, I'll get you guys a discount in Inception 15.
Inside the park. Let's watch Jose Fernandez pitch and what sets him apart, if anything, just by the way he moves on the mound. What he has, Greg, that you can't teach, it's arm speed. You can't throw 96 with a slow arm. You have to have arm speed. So for all you young boys out there and young men that want to
I'm going to start a fresh video. A&G number 3 coming up next. I'll be right back.
it's not going to help you. It will not help you. To throw 98, you need to have a quick arm. You need quick, fast twist muscles. Get off the weights. Don't worry about bench pressing 300 pounds. How much you want to curl and having big triceps and you look great on the beach. So don't worry about looking great on the beach. Just you look great like what he does on the first of the month when he looks at his bank account. He goes, wow, that's growing. Right? That's what you want to have in this guy's mechanics. You watch him, Greg. He keeps his head on line to the target. He stays balanced over the rubber. Watch, he picks it up, and look his head. His head is going right towards home plate. The big key to me, we talk about finish. If you watch after he throws this pitch, his right hand after he throws will almost reach